everyone, welcome to Eat channel in Can Eat or Not. I will try to cook a new menu that I never cooked before, and today I will cook cheese korokke. Yes, cheese korokke. I think it's a Japanese food. But before we go to see the ingredient and how am I gonna cook, could you please subscribe, like and share my channel and my video, please. Please. Okay, if you already subscribe, like and share my channel and my video. Let's go to see the ingredient and how am I gonna cook together. Let's go! For the first step in cooking cheese korokke, we have to put 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of milk in the minced potato. The potato I only boil it and mince it. After you already mix them together, you have to mold it to the bowl. As big as you want, but not so big. Just like a bowl. After you already got like a bowl, you have to put cheese inside the bowl, the potato bowl. Yes, finish. After that, we have to put it in the refrigerator around 30 minutes. For frying a potato, we have to set the pan with a low power, and while we waiting for the pan is hot, we will apply a potato ball with a crispy flour like this. After that, we will apply the potato with the egg, and then with the breadcrumb. Then fry it. For frying, we have to set the pan in a low power and then apply a potato with the crispy flour like this. After that, apply it with the egg and then a crispy crumb like this. After the pan is a bit hot, fry it. Okay, finally we got the cheese korokke like this. Okay, for the last section, I will ask my mom to taste cheese korokke and give a point. แม่ลองกินดีว่าคะแนนเต็ม10ไม่ให้เท่าไหร่ Can you guess it is delicious or not? How many score that my mom gonna give for this dish. เท่าไหร่นะเป็น10 คะแนนให้เท่าไหร่มากินไปก่อนเท่าไหร่นะ
ให้10
ให้10
ให้10เลย
อร่อยเหรอจริงอ่ะกินบ้างดิกินอีกไหมกินอีก
อ้วน
กินอีกก็
อ้วน
So I don't wanna get fat, so let my mom eat more than me. เห็นไหม
อิ่ม
อิ่มหรอ
อิ่ม
มันเป็นมัน
กิน
ฝ
ทัน
รั่ง
ค่ะกินทันข้าวเลย
มันเป็นมันฝรั่งดีใจจังไม่ให้ตั้ง10 คะแนนเย่แสดงว่าฝีมือการทำกับข้าวเราพัฒนาหรือเปล่า Oh I forget I should speak English like I'm so glad that my mom give me like a 10 points so is mean my cooking skill is already improved but this one is like my first time that I frying it and the pan is too hot so it's be like this Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video please. Let's see what menu that I'm gonna cook in the next video, next episode. And for today, bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย